One of my first papers, when it got accepted, I met the editor at a conference and thanked him for the work. And he said, yes, congratulations on your paper. You owe me 3.
Well, given that publishing our science is a critical part of what we do as scientists, then getting involved in a journal gives you a real insight into how it all works.
On one hand, it's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of very interesting work because you get the preview of work before it's published yet.
You learn how to deal with the papers that come in.
You can see trends in the community, you can see trends in the field, and eventually you even stimulate research in certain directions then, based on the knowledge you gain via editing.
You end up reading both wonderful, excellent papers and maybe some ones that you are going to recommend for rejection. But that also allows you to learn and develop as a writer yourself.
We as a researcher, I feel like we are a little bit still learning how to convey our research and how to pass the key messages.
When you finish to write your manuscript, you are so passionate with what you are doing that it's not that you don't want to see the defects, but obviously you are not really an external eye.
We also need to think that some non-experts are going to read your manuscript, and I think by reviewing and editing, what we want to reach is a broader audience, right? Everyone can understand, from undergrads, from PhD students, from even people that is not that familiar with science.
If you want your work to be reviewed by experts, well, when you're asked to review somebody else's work, you should say yes.
As a reviewer, peer reviewer or an editor, you're supporting other people to develop their careers, and you're helping to improve the quality of science that gets published and shared with the world. I mean, it's a win-win for everybody.